I just hope they grow my sunflowers. Days of disarray, I think the world needs a sun shower. Cause yellow makes you mellow, the red means you're tempered, and the gray's for December, but the greens come after, way after December. Winter doesn't matter, no more. When it doesn't matter, no more. I hate feeling gray in December. I hate feeling gray in December. Please, Lord, no more rainy days this December. No more rainy days this December. Please, Lord, no more rainy days this December. Spend a lot of time sleeping when I should be awake. Spend a lot of time eating my problems away. And I know that I got homework and dreams to make true, but I'm a procrastinator, even though I know what to do. I can't afford my lifestyle, and I hate that I know it. I can't afford my lifestyle, but I really won't show it. I can't wait for the new year to get here. I can't wait for some days with some clear air, just so I can see my sunflowers. I just wanna know my sunflowers.
I hope the rain grows my sunflowers.